So you want to make one of these. Either it's for your crush, to impress your friends, or for anyone, really. Shall we start? To make one, we will need an A4 sheet of paper and a ruler. So start off by folding this corner here, and then after folding it like this, what you want to do is fold this up, but now it should look like this, with the crease perfectly on this axis. There, should be good. Now after that, what you want to do is fold this crease again and make sure it's a very sharp crease like that. Now we can see a line through the paper. Now make this line, this end of the line meet this end of the line like this, and then fold. Right. Now that you've folded two sides diagonally, flip the paper, fold it this way through the middle, but not diagonally, straight in the middle. Now unfold that, do it this way now, so the line is facing this way, and connect those three dots. Now this is what you'd get: two folds this way, and on the flip side two folds this way. Now what you want to do is go on the flip side and make this corner go along with this corner, so match it here, and then open this up and then make this corner meet this corner, so match it up and then close the top. Now you should have a square rotated 45 degrees. Now on the side there are 1, 2 layers, and on the bottom there are 1, 2 and 3 layers. Here's the middle one if you want to see it. Now on the side, take both of the layers and then put it against this crease. Do it on the other side too. Now of the top, fold it down along these lines, and then unfold everything. Go to the flip side, fold this back down. Now take exactly one layer, so this line should be on the bottom. Put it up and make sure these two crease inside. Right, after that it should look like this. So there is these two layers now are combined, and there's one more layer. Now flip it. Now unfold this, put a finger on this line, and then unfold this exactly that much. Now fold these parts in. Alright, after that fold these bottom parts and the top parts. Now make the parts with the legs face you. Now this part is important. Take exactly one layer of the two layers, take exactly one and point them inwards. Then take the opposite layer and put it inwards. Now do the same on the flip side. Now we will have two layers here and two layers here. Combine these two layers like that. On the flip side, combine those two as well. Now fold this part up again, flip it, fold this part up again. Now here's a very important part most of us don't remember, and that's to open this up like this and do the same on this side. Otherwise the origami would be very unstable. Now fold this down, that's the first wing. Fold this down, that's the second wing. Now pull this outward here and pull this part outward here, like that. And lastly, to make the head, just put your finger on this part and fold it down. That's all you need, really. And there you have it, your origami crane. Now, the other time, I actually threw out this piece of paper. So, if you don't know what to do with it, crumble it up and throw. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe.